With just 2 eggs and 4 slices of bread, I managed to make this French toast, which you are seeing up there. Yes, it happened. Hello, guys. Let me hope everyone is doing fine. So, this is Joy Nation TV. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and share to your friends. So, I managed to make this French toast out of 2 eggs and just 4 slices of bread. Yes. So I started by mixing my eggs, but before mixing my eggs, I had to chop this onion into small pieces. However, uh, they came out in big pieces, but I actually wanted small pieces. So I chopped this onion into pieces and then I mixed it with my eggs. And then after mixing it with my eggs, I had to add some ingredients as we'll be seeing in this video today. So many of you think that making a French toast, maybe you must be having so many ingredients, so many eggs. No, with this one of mine, I just used 2 eggs and 4 slices of bread. Yes, I made it happen. So after mixing my eggs together with the onions, I had to put my salt and then some curry powder and then some pepper. Yes. And then I had to mix again. Mix until everything combined together with my egg. Yeah. So I started spreading my eggs on slices of bread one by one. I was putting little eggs because I wanted these eggs to be enough for the 4 slices of bread. Yeah, so I was spreading little. Yeah, we are trying to live within the budget, guys. Yeah, we are trying to live within the budget. Yeah, we don't have extra money, so we have to live within the budget. That's why I decided to use just 2 eggs and 4 slices of bread. Yeah, the aim was to make sure that I ate some French toast, guys. Yes. So that is how the process went. Uh, you might not be sure of how the results will look, but just keep your eyes on the video. Guys will get shocked of the results. Remember, I was using my charcoal stove. Yeah, for me, I don't have electric cooker, I don't have gas cooker, so I was using my charcoal stove. As I have told you earlier, we are trying to live within a very small budget, guys. Yes. So comment down below where you are watching this video from, and tell us what you think about this recipe. Did I made it clearly, or something was missing? Tell me, guys. Yeah, so that was the whole process. I think we are almost done. Thank you for watching. May God bless you. I love you guys. Thank you so much.